You're ready to sculpt a beautiful hourglass figure with amazing, nice sculpted round shoulders, beautiful flat stomach, small waist, and amazing glutes, strong, sculpted and toned. However, you want something a little lighter, Pilates, yoga style, then this workout is especially for you. We're gonna start sitting down in a comfortable seated position, crossing the legs. And we're just gonna start breathing in and out through our diaphragm. You can close the eyes if you want. You can place the palms facing up, receiving all the good energy from the universe, from God. And just setting an intention for this little practice. Your intention can be to, sculpt and define a beautiful hourglass figure. Slowly start making little circles with the shoulders. And stop in the center, take a deep inhale, lift both arms up, inhale, lift the arms up, exhale, tilt on the side, come back to the center, inhale, lift the arms up, exhale, tilt on the other side. Bring the arms back on the sides and slowly just move into a tabletop position. And from here, 4 times, we're just gonna do the cat and cow stretching. Inhaling, lengthening the spine, taking the bum out, stretching the neck. Exhaling, bringing the belly button inside. Inhaling, lengthening the spine. Exhaling, bringing the belly button inside. 2 more. Inhaling, lengthening the spine. Exhaling, bringing the belly button inside. Last one. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring the belly button inside. And with the toes together, knees apart, just stretch the arms forward, stretching here in an extended child's pose. Just take a few deep breaths in here. Relaxing your forehead on the ground. And just focusing on your breathing. Slowly start lifting up in the first downward facing dog. Press the palms down. Bring the hips towards the sky. Look towards the front. And just bring your feet towards the front next to the palms. Slowly roll the spine up. Roll the spine back. Bring the arms up, palms together in front of the heart center into Namaste. We're going to do 2 sun salutations. Inhaling, lifting the arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Inhale, lift up halfway, straighten the spine. Exhale, press the palms down, step back, the right leg, the left leg into a plank. Lower the knees, lower the chest. Inhale, lift up, cobra or downward, upward facing dog. Exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Take 2 deep breaths in here. If you want, you can do little steps on the spot, just bending the knees. Look towards the front, bring the feet between the palms and slowly start rolling the spine up, shoulders back, bring the palms up, arms together in front of the heart center into Namaste. We do another sun salutation, the other side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold forwards from the hips. Inhale, lift up halfway, straighten the spine. Exhale, press the palms down, step back this time with the left leg into a plank. Do the full chaturanga if you want, bring the weight forward, lowering down. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Looking towards the front, bringing the palms towards the front. Slowly rolling the spine, bringing the arms up, palms together in front of the heart center into Namaste. Take a deep inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Inhale, lift up halfway, straighten the spine. Exhale, press the palms down, and this time, step back with your left leg. Take a deep inhale, lift the arms up. Bring the palms facing forward, and here, we're gonna lower down, bringing also the arms down, lifting up, sculpting the hourglass body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 times, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bringing the palms down, stretching here forward, then bringing the weight back, stretching 2 times here, bringing the leg back, lowering the chest, inhaling, lifting up in a cobra or upward facing dog, exhaling, going back to a downward facing dog, looking towards the front, bringing the feet towards the palms and slowly rolling the spine up, bringing the arms up, palms together in front of the heart center into Namaste. And we're gonna do the same thing other side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Inhale, step back with the right leg. Take a deep inhale again, lift the arms up. Turn the palms so they're facing forward, and 8 times. Lower down the knee and the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bringing the palms down, bringing the weight forward, stretching a little bit here, bringing the weight back 2 times. 2, moving the leg back, lowering the chest, inhaling cobra or upward facing dog, exhale, go back to downward facing dog, look towards the front and slowly start bringing the feet towards the front of the mat, roll the spine back, palms together in front of the heart center into Namaste. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Inhale, lift up halfway, straighten the spine. Exhale, press the palms down, step back into a plank. And here from the plank, I'm going to lift in a downward dog, come back to a plank 8 times. Inhaling, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8, slowly back to the plank, lowering the knees, toes together, knees apart, going back into an extended child's pose. Taking a few deep breaths in here, relaxing our forehead on the floor, and just breathing. Slowly coming back to all fours. And this time, we're finding our balance and we're going to do the bird dog. Really engaging the shoulders, the core, the glutes. Inhaling, lengthening, flexing the toes. Exhaling, knee and elbow together. 8 times. Inhaling, lengthen. Exhale, belly button inside. 3. Slow and control. 4. 5. 6, 7, and 8. We bring only the arm down, and from here we just lift up. 1, 2, 3, 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And slowly we change the side. Taking a deep inhale, arm opposite leg lengthening. 1, exhaling, knee and elbow inside. 2, flexing the toes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, and 8. We bring the palm down, and this time we lift only the legs straight. 1, 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And slowly we stretch back into extended child's pose. We can move the hips side by side, stretching the glutes. Slowly lifting back up in a downward facing dog, taking a deep inhale, lifting the right leg up, bending the knee towards the chest, bringing the knee forward into a pigeon pose, and stretching here the glutes. Slowly lifting back up in a downward facing dog, taking a deep inhale, lifting up the left leg, bending the knee towards the chest, placing it forward into a pigeon pose. And stretching here. Slowly lifting up halfway, coming back to the comfortable seated position, just noticing how we feel, and bringing the palms towards the heart center and starting to create a little bit more heat and good energy, and bringing all this heat and good energy towards our heart center in a sign of gratitude for our body, mind, soul, for our health and all the great blessings, things, people and experiences in our lives. Always remembering that the more grateful we are for what we have, what we experience, for all the blessings in our lives, the more people, things and experiences to be grateful for we attract. Namaste. Like, share, subscribe if you enjoy my workouts, and every week you will find on my channel great content for a happy, healthy lifestyle, a beautiful hourglass figure, and all things health and fitness related. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful day with best energy. See you soon.